this question we are told that A, B, C are three numbers which are in a geometric progression. So B square is equal to A into C. We are also told that log of B to the base A is equal to log of C to the base A plus 1. We are asked to find out how many ordered triplets A, B, C are possible if A lies between minus 12 and 12, both of them included, and C lies between minus 0.2 and 0.2. We are also told that A is an integer. The first thing to note is, for a logarithm to be defined, the argument has to be positive and the base has to be positive and not equal to 1. So B has to be greater than 0 and A has to be greater than 0 and A cannot be equal to 1. Same is the case for even the second logarithm. So both B and C have to be greater than 0, A has to be greater than 0 and A cannot be equal to 1. So in the range that we are looking for, or in the domain that we are looking for, the only things we are looking for, because we are told that A is an integer, are A has to be 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6 or 7 or 8 or 9 or 10 or 11 or 12. We are also told that they are part of a geometric progression, so B square is equal to AC. If you are looking at the given equation now, log of B to the base A minus log of C to the base A is equal to 1, or log of B by C to the base A is equal to 1, or B by C is equal to A, or B is equal to AC. If B is equal to AC, then B square is also equal to AC, so B square is equal to B. This would imply that either B is equal to 0 or B is equal to 1. B cannot be equal to 0, because if B is equal to 0, either A has to be 0 or C has to be 0, and in fact if B is 0, log B to the base A is not defined, so B cannot be equal to 0. This would imply that B has to be necessarily equal to 1. If B is equal to 1, that would imply that A is equal to 1 by C, because A into C will equal B, or C is equal to 1 by A. What is the range of C? C lies between minus 0.22 plus 0.2. C has to be greater than 0. So essentially C is lying between 0 and 0.2. So what is the range for 1 by C? 1 by C is essentially greater than or equal to 1 by 0.2, which is 5. 1 by C is the value of A. So we want A to be greater than or equal to 5. How many values of A are greater than or equal to 5 in the given range? This will be 5, 6, 7, this is 3, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12, this is 5. So the total number of values that A can take will be equal to 8. For each value of A, we will be getting a respective value for C, which is equal to 1 by A, and B is constant, B is equal to 1. So the number of triplets that are possible is 8.